Colors name: pink, yellow, orange, green, blue, white, red. Let's write the letters. A. A is for apple. B. B is for book. C. C is for carrot. D. D is for donkey. E. E is for eagle. F. F is for fan. G. G is for grapes. H. H is for house. I. I is for ice cream. J. J is for jug. K. K is for cattle. L. L is for lemon. M. M is for monkey. N. N is for nose. O. O is for orange. P. P is for parrot. Q. Q is for queen. R. R is for rose. S. S is for sunflower. T. T is for tiger. U. U is for umbrella. V. V is for van. W. W is for water. X. X is for X-ray. Y. Y is for yarn. Z. Z is for zebra. You can repeat with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thanks, children.